Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this indoor fly trap. So you're going to plug this into a wall outlet and you can turn it. So if your wall outlet like this, you want it to be positioned where it's up. But you can turn this quarter turn. So here's the sticky pads. The bugs are going to be attracted to the light, then they'll get stuck on this sticky pad. So peel this off. Don't touch that. That is super, super sticky. And you're simply going to stick it. See, this is the front. There is a power button here, but we're going to plug it in a second here. So just slide it down. There's a detent for that to go into there. There's what it looks like. Okay, so here we have a plug-in. You're simply going to plug it in and hit the power button. There's what it looks like. It's going to attract insects. You can turn that light on or off. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.